My name's DJ, the teen librarian here at Rodman Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to do our May craft. So our May craft is a paper flower, and we're going to make that using paper bags, some glue, and a little bit of paint. So to begin, you're going to take out your supplies, and you're going to count out 7 bags. I've included 14 bags in your kit, so that way you can go ahead and make 2 if you so choose. You're going to want your bags face up, so the flap's at the top like this. So we have our 7 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I actually have 1 extra here. So to begin, you're just going to take your Q-tip, you're going to dip it in the glue, and you're going to paint a T on the bag. If you have glue at home, you can just use plain glue and just make it using that. After making a T on your bag, you can see it right here. You're going to take your next bag and just kind of place it right over top. And you're going to want to make sure they're facing the same way, with the opening at the top. Then you're just going to press it down, nice and flat, and repeat the process until you've placed all 7 bags. After stacking all your bags nice and even and pressing it down, you're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to start at the edge and you're going to kind of cut them up into a point. So I'm going to do that, rounding it as you go. See how I this is a little straight, but you can make yours a little bit more round. It's all how the shape that you like on your flowers. So then I like to start at the top again and cut it back down to about the same distance that the other one went to. After making your cuts, I find it best to let this kind of sit and dry. So I'm going to let it sit for at least 2 hours, and it kind of helps if you take and put something heavy over top of it to kind of press it down. I'm going to grab a few books and place them over top. And now we're going to let it dry. Now that our projects had time to dry, it's time to finish the effect to make it look like a flower. So to start, you're going to open your bag. You're going to put your hand on each side of the bag, and you're just going to kind of pull it open, sort of like an accordion. And it should open nicely. Here we go. Once you get all of your bags open and have it fanned out just like this, you can see that it's starting to look like a flower. So the next step is to take and put another upside down T on one of the edges of the bags. So I'm just going to paint another upside down T. It's always good to use generous amounts of glue so that way it holds better. We're going to go ahead and fold it back open, and then we're just going to press kind of hard, smoothing it out as we go, just to make sure it sits. And there you have it. We have a paper bag flower. Now there are a couple things you can do after you get your glue to set, and you might want to hold it for a little while to make sure that it sets. First, you can paint it. We've included watercolors in your kit, so you can paint your flower any color that you like. Next, you can also take and punch a hole in the top of your flower using a pencil, and then feed your fishing line through and just tie it off so that way you can hang it if you want to hang it. All sorts of things. It just depends on how you want to display it and how you want your flower to look. Well, I hope you enjoyed this month's craft. We hope to see you back here in June to see what craft we have to offer. Have a great week. Bye.